Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be making delicious sorrel kombucha. Stay tuned. So this is 8 cups of water plus 6 tea bags and half cup of sugar. I've already added the sugar. That's why the water is looking a little brown. So I'm going to add my 6 tea bags and I'm using green tea. Welcome once again to our channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. So I'm going to allow these tea bags to steep for a very long time because I want my tea strong. Or you can leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes if you don't want it very strong. It's all up to you. By the way, guys, I'm trying out making kombucha for the very first time and also flavoring it. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. My tea is ready and I'm gonna scoop out these tea bags. I've poured my tea in this glass jar and I've allowed it to sit in some cold water so it cools faster. So right now my tea is at room temperature and it's time to add the SCOBY, which is the symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. I'm new to the world of kombucha, so it's all trial and error. So I'm just gonna open this jar. This is the SCOBY that I created 2 weeks ago, and this is my SCOBY, and this jar is what they call SCOBY Hotel. This is where you store all your SCOBYs. So it's now time to add the SCOBY to our tea, just as shown in the video. Oh my god, I forgot something. Anyway, I'll still add it. I'm also supposed to add a cup of the starter liquid, or if you don't have any starter liquid, you can use a store-bought kombucha. It can be either flavored or not flavored. It doesn't matter. It will still work. So, but I was supposed to do this before adding the SCOBY, but it's still okay. So I covered the top with a clean cloth and I put a rubber band, just as shown in the video. This is the SCOBY Hotel. I put it away from sunlight in the cupboard, and 4 days later I took it out so that I can just taste, because I understand keep tasting your tea so that you know when it's ready. So I'm just gonna give it a taste. I find after 4 days it was still sweet. I live in a warm climate, so I don't think my kombucha will take long to make. 7 days later, my kombucha seems to have changed color, so I decided to just open my SCOBY Hotel, because as you can see, there's a new SCOBY formed right at the top of my kombucha. So I'm gonna store it with the other SCOBYs in my SCOBY Hotel. So I'm gonna cover my SCOBY Hotel and put it away and then strain my kombucha. A big thank you to an amazing friend, Helen, who introduced me to kombucha. Helen makes some lovely kombucha in different flavors, which can be purchased in any one of the supermarkets in Grenada. Please check her out and support her, and also try out her kombucha. So these are my 2 bottles and I've left a little space. Now I'm gonna flavor it with my sorrel. This is the fun part, flavoring my kombucha. So I have 1 cup of sorrel, and I'm gonna see how I would pour in one bottle and the other bottle. So I can't really tell you the exact measurement. I'm just gonna be doing my own thing until I utilize the cup of sorrel. Can you imagine doing it for the first time and even flavoring it? Everything seems to be looking good. Look at that beautiful color. So we are done adding sorrel, and I'm just gonna cover them. As I told you, these are just ordinary bottles. And so what I did was I kept releasing the gas throughout the 2 days, because I left it on the counter for 2 days, and then I put it in the fridge also for 2 days. And after 2 days in the fridge, there you go, guys. It tastes delicious. Kombucha flavored with sorrel. Thanks again for watching. Always coming back to watch my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.